Alright, so welcome to PC Beginners. Today we're going to be talking about subject, verb, object, sentence construction. So every language is different, but in English, traditionally, the subject is the first word in the sentence. It's then you see the verb, and last you have the object. So look at this example sentence. I am American. I is the subject, am is the verb, and American is the object. So what is the subject? Well, the subject is always a noun. It cannot be anything else but a noun. And the subject is what is doing the action. So find the subject in each sentence. Alright, let's check your answers. How did you do? So I like Japanese food. She has a car. Singapore is a small country. Some people like to study. Chris and Shirley are teachers. You'll see that all of those are nouns. Next we have the verb. The verb is whatever is happening in the sentence. So once again, for each sentence, find the verb. Alright, let's check your answers. So, again in the first sentence it's like, I like Japanese food. Second sentence has, she has a car. Third sentence, Singapore is a small country. Fourth sentence, some people like to study. And fifth sentence, Chris and Shirley are teachers. Alright, and then the last is the object. So, while the subject is always a noun, and the verb is always a verb, the object can actually be many things. It can be a noun, verb, or adjective. The only thing that matters is that the subject receives the action of the verb. So, now let's find the subject in each sentence. Alright, let's check the answers. So, Japanese food, I like Japanese food, which you see is a noun. Number 2, funny, she is funny, which is an adjective. Number 3, Singapore is a small country, which is a noun. Some people like to study here the verb, and Chris and Shirley are teachers, the noun. So again, the most important thing to take away is that in English, it's subject, verb, object for most sentences. If you remember that, it should help you quite a bit when you're making sentences. Now what I would like you to do is put these sentences in the right order. Alright, I want you to check your answers. I'm going to show each sentence at a time. So here's number 1. Here is number 2. Here is number 3. Here is number 4. And here is number 5. Alright, how did you do? Well, hopefully now you have a better understanding of subject, verb, object. If you don't, please watch the video again, and of course, please ask any questions you have to your teacher.